Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to show you how to turn the annoying beep off on your Krome music workstation, because nothing's worse than when you're in the middle of playing some music and you go to change the sound and it makes a beep. So we'll show you how to stop that. So to change this, to get rid of the beep, all you have to do is you go into Global, then you come over here, you go to System, and you turn Beep Enable to Off. That way when you go to push the buttons, it no longer makes the annoying beep sound. And then you can click around and you will be perfectly okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon if you haven't already, and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time.